So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start your investment online. That is what I'm going to show you on this video. So at the end of this video, you will understand the basic investing method that you can go and start applying and start using them to invest online. But one thing that I want you to understand is that when it comes to investing, first, you need to invest at your own risk. Do your proper research before you invest into any company at all that you want to invest your money into. And that is the most important thing that you need to do. Do proper research before investing into anything at all that you want to invest your own hard-earned money into. So it's very, very important. So the investing method that we are going to talk about today is called S&P 500. So if you don't know what S&P 500 is, S&P 500 is the 500 largest stock market in the world, or the 500 largest stock market in the US stock market. So I hope you get a simple understanding. How it's working is that you invest into a particular company, and at the end of this and at the end of the year, the company might decide to pay you in return from that your investment, like from 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 10%. It just depends on the percentage that the company is going to give you as the annual year-end revenue, or as the annual year that you are going to get as an investor. So that is the investment method that I am going to talk about today. Two types of investment that you can invest your money on if you want to invest into the stock market. There is individual stock. If you want to invest in like Apple, or you want to invest in like Google, or you want to invest in Facebook, or you want to invest in like Snapchat, or you want to invest into like a Tesla, Google, ChatGPT. So all those companies, they have their share that you can invest your money on, which if you want to invest into individual stocks, then we have index fund. This index fund is that you are investing into a basket that is full with a bunch of orange. Let us say, for example, you want to invest into like you want to invest into a basket where you have a lot of people on it. Let us say, for example, I call it people, but it's business. We have like for example, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, Facebook, Twitter, Tesla. So all these old companies, they come to one, they form a group, and this group can be called a particular name. We have like, for example, VOO. When I say VOO is the ticket code of that particular investment. You understand? So that is what I am trying to explain. And now that you understand the basic idea of the type of investment that you can invest in, which you can invest into individual stock, or you can invest into index fund, which is you are invest in a bunch of you invest in a company that came together as one. That is how I can explain it to you, for you to understand the basic idea of the type of investment that I'm talking about. First thing that you need is a broker account. You know, each country have platform that allows them to create their own broker account. You understand? In Nigeria, we have like a Bamboo and investment platform. In Europe, we have like Trading 212. We have like Interactive Broker. We have like Lightyear and a lot of other companies that you can invest your money on, including Revolut, if you want to use Revolut as a platform that you can use as your broker account. So that is the platform or places where you can get your broker account from. So that is the basic platform that you can start using today, or place where you can create your broker accounts. So now that you have created your broker account, the next thing you need to do is to start invest. You understand? Is to start investing. So let me head over to my computer. Let us use a Lightyear as the example on this tutorial, guys. So let me head over to my computer. What is good in Lightyear is that you can use Lightyear either on your smartphone or on your computer. It just depends on you. So I will explain everything for you. I will explain everything to you so that you will know the type of stocks that you can pick and what you need to look at before you pick any stock. This is my own recommendation. You can do your own research before you take any action when it comes to investing your money into index fund or individual stocks. So guys, let us head over to my computer. So guys, as you can see on the screen here, this is the platform that we are going to use as the example on this video. So the website name or the broker platform that we want to use is Lightyear. So if you are living in Europe, Lightyear is very, very available to a lot of country in Europe. So this is Lightyear, and this is how the platform look. They have their mobile version and they have their web version. So what you need to do is to go through them and see if it's a platform that you want to start using to do your investment. What is good is that to invest your money on this platform, you pay a fee when you want to deposit money into your broker account. So in other platforms like Trading 212, you are not paying any money to deposit money into your own broker account. But on this website, which is called Lightyear, you are paying money, you are paying some fee to deposit money into your platform. So there's other platform that allows you to like deposit money into the broker account for free, but on this platform they charge you to do that. That is one thing that I want to say, because it's very, very important for you to know that before you deposit your money into a particular platform, you are paying some commission. And what is still good is that, let us say you deposit money into this platform and you did not invest it, that money is going to be accumulating for you. There's some money you are going to be making from your own invested money. How are you making this one is that they are borrowing your money out daily. You understand? They are borrowing your money out daily and they are using it to do some investment. This money is that I call it flexible way of making money online, because the money that you leave in your account that you have not invested, you are making money from it, and you still have the right to withdraw the money whenever you want or when you want. That is what is good with this website, which is called Lightyear. So if you want to use this website, the link will be in the description. Just click on the first link and you are going to get $100 bonus for using my referral link. That is why you need to use my referral link to get $100 bonus on your first deposit on this platform. As long as you deposit $100, you are going to get free fraction of share into your account. So that is one thing that I like about this website, which is called Lightyear. So use my link in the description if you want. That's depend on you. So what you need to do is to register. You need to click on register at the top here, and it's going to ask you your name and a lot of information that concerns you. And why is showing this? Maybe because this is if you want to create your own account. So what you need to do here is to enter your email account, your password, and you are going to follow the process of how you can create your own account. And they are going to ask you for a lot of other things, like let us say, for example, they are going to ask for your national ID to verify your account, and they are going to ask a proof of your address where you are living. Some platform ask a lot of information, but this platform, they will ask for your documents, like your it can be a passport or national ID, and if you have that, you can upload it and you are good to go. And sometimes they will ask you for a proof of your address, just to prove that you are a resident that lives in Europe. So that is one thing that I just want to say that concerns on the registration requirement. And you need to be at least 18 years old, which is something that is very, very important. And once your account have been created, what you need to do is to log into your own account. So what I need to do now is to log into my own account. So I will enter my password and email. So as you can see, I have just logged into my own account, and as you can see, wallet, the total amount I have on my Lightyear account is 227 euros and 10 cents. That is what I have on my Lightyear account. And the money that I have got in return since I start investing is $67, which is what you can see there. And that is what I have earned from the investment. One thing that you are seeing here is the money that I have earned, because they gave me that. I just have to be honest. And if you scroll down here, you are going to find the index fund that I have invested my money on. So you can see that I have invested in Vanguard S&P 500, which is I invested in VUSA. That is Vanguard S&P 500. And if you see the second one that I invested in, which is VHYL, which is Vanguard FTSE or World High Dividend Yen. That is the S&P 500 that I've invested my money on. And if you scroll down here, you can see Charlie Swap. You can see it, which is SCHW, which is the ticket code of what I have invested my money on. The first one that I invested my money on is VUSA, and the second one is the VHYL, which is the ticket code, and the third ticket code is SCHW. So that is the ticket code of the S&P 500 that I've invested my money on. So I'm going to open one of my S&P 500 here. So when I click on one of them here, you can see that it have opened. So once it opened, let us say want to invest on it. You can search for the S&P 500 that you want to invest your money on, or you can just type any type of S&P 500 that you want to invest your money on, or you can go through the list of what they have and choose if you find something that is suitable to what you want. That is why I said do your own research before you invest in them. So when I scroll down here, you are going to see what you need to be looking at is if the company is paying dividend, and you have to look at their market cap and the fund that is under investment. You can see the fund size of this investment is $42 billion, and you can see the amount of money you are going to be getting either annually or quarterly, which you can see here, which is $1 and 24 cents, which is the dividend that you get from out of the investment. That, let us say at the end of the year you are getting 10%. That 10% plus the dividend, which is like 0.79% of that investment that you have done. So they are going to add that money into your own investment, so your investment will not increase. So imagine that you invested a lot of money, you will be in a chance of earning good amount of money in return from this your investment. So that is the thing that you need to pay attention to. Pay attention to the dividend, pay attention to the fund that is under investment. And what you still need to look at is the company that have invested their money into this platform. So when I scroll down here, you are going to see the company that have invested their money into this platform, which is called VUSA. So you can see the company that I've invested. When I click main investment, you can see Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Meta, and so on and so on, what you can see here. And when you click on sectors here, you are going to see the sectors that have invested in this S&P 500. So you can see that software and cloud service, and you can see finance, you can see digital hardware, industrial, consumer, and a lot of other category or sector that have invested their money into this platform. And when we say we click on country, you can see it's very, very important for you to look at all those things. The country where this where this fund is being held from. So you can see that 100% is United States, which is, for me, is what I would recommend for anyone who wants to start investing their money online. So that is almost everything that I want to talk about on this video. And one thing that I want to still let you know when you are investing your money online into the S&P 500 is that you need to focus on the company that is taking small percentage at the end of the year for them to be able to hold out your investment, which is what we call expense ratio. So expense ratio is the amount of money that they use to manage that money that you have invested. Let us say you invest in, for example, in my company. So for me to be able to manage that money for you, so that your money will be making money for you every single year, you are going to pay me like maybe 1% or 2%. You can see the expense ratio of this S&P 500 is 0.07%. That is what I'm going to pay to VUSA for them to be able to be managing this my money for me. So that is what I just want to let you know, if you are wondering about like how am I going to be making money without paying anything. So you are paying some money at the end of the year, which is that 0.07%, which is the expense ratio of this S&P 500. Let us say you have the S&P 500 on your head. You can just come here and search for it. Let us say, for example, you can come here and search for like Facebook. You cannot find Facebook, but what you are going to search for is Mentor. You are going to find Mentor here. You click on it and you can see Mentor is at $621.71, and you can just come here and enter the amount of money that you want to invest. You can invest either with direct. If you want to invest, you can invest through money, or you can invest by one share. One share can be like one share of a Mentor is $621.71. So that is the price of one share of Mentor. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. If you want to invest, just come here and enter the price of the amount you have that you want to invest, and you are good to go. That is one thing that is very, very important. Let us say, for example, you want to sell your share and you say, okay, I'm tired, or I have make money, I want to sell it. It's still simple. What you need to do is to go to one of the S&P 500 that you have invested your money on. Let us say, for example, we have invested in this one, which is a VUSA. You can still click on it. Once you click on it, come to this tab here and click on sell, and here you are going to enter the amount of money that you want to sell. Let us say we want to sell like 100 euros. We can just come here, enter 100 euros, you click on purchase, and you are going to review it. You are going to tell you the amount of money you are going to pay as a fee for you to be able to withdraw the money from the platform. It will take like up to a week, 3 days or 4 days, and the money will be deposited into your normal Lightyear account, and from there you can cash it into your bank account and start using it to do whatsoever you want. So that is if you want to withdraw your money from this platform. So now that you understand everything, what I want you to do for me is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. What I want you to do is to look for tools and websites that will allow you to analyze any S&P 500 that you want to invest your money on. So you already know now how you can invest your money into the S&P 500, or how you can invest your money into individual stocks if you want to, just like I showed you from the Mentor platform. So that is everything that I want to let you know on this video. So I will try to list all the S&P 500 or index fund that you can go and check out that is performing well, that you can make money from, guys. I will say thank you very much, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment about this video in the comment section, and I really want to hear from you guys. Don't forget to watch this video to learn how you can make money with affiliate program. I will see you guys. Peace.